Alright, so right now I'm unboxing the ARP head studs. I believe it's for boost applications, but you know what, I just went with it. People were saying it's the best, so I went with it. Pay the extra $1. Looking pretty positive. Okay. Alright. Double check, make sure these are okay, yeah, these are gonna go in like that. See? Alright. And PSI. Alright, that's what I want to see. 30, 60, 90. And I do have the sequence from the machine shop. Alright, I have just installed the ARP studs. Yeah, hand tight. When you put them in, a lot of the ARP lubricant is going to come out, so you know, just clean it up. I know the first one I did, I put a lot, and then a lot of it came out, and I was like, man, I guess that's the first impressions right there, not to put a lot. So up next, I'm going to put the head on. Well, no, I'm going to put the head gasket on. I got the dowel pins installed. Wasn't too bad. You just put it in there, it drops right in, give a little tap. I'm going to clean it up again. Maybe I missed a spot or two. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put FIPG on here, like a small layer. So I'll get that going and I'll show you guys. Sony, that's what the book wanted right there. Squeak. I should do it. Not too crazy, guys. The book says, you know, just apply a little bit, because what it is the front cover. You know, these are mating parts, so they're not a whole piece. So anytime you do like any front cover, so let's get this spread out, man. I don't like the way that looked. Alright, that's about it right there. Put head gasket on up next.